be here.
How old are you, Charlie?
I'm 10.
Older than me.
Yeah.
What sort of stuff do you do for fun?
I do tricks.
Kinds.
Oh, I do lots of tricks, but they're all secrets. Trade secrets.
Do you get along with your family?
No. Molly doesn't like me. She says I'm annoying. I don't know why.
Yeah, you are annoying.
No, I'm not. Ugh.
Okay. What do you have to do chores?
No, because I'm always in timeout. Because I get in trouble a lot.
Oh yeah.
Where would you most want to go into a vacation and why?
Disneyland! It's the happiest place on earth.
What do you like to eat?
Worms. Yum, yum, yum.
Yuck, yuck, yuck.
Hey, you gotta try it with chocolate on too. Yeah.
What is your favorite color?
Red.
Knew it. Can you sing me a song?
What do you think?
How about the yodeling song? Now, I taught Charlie how to yodel. I was pretty inspired by Taylor Ware on America's Got Talent. She's a little girl that learned yodeling from a tape. So I ordered the same, it's actually on a CD now, and it took about 9 months to get here. I finally got it and started practicing and then started giving Charlie some yodeling lessons. So, go for it, Charlie.
She taught me to yodel, yodel-dee-dee, yodel-dee-dee, yodel-dee-dee. She taught me to yodel, yodel-dee-dee, yodel-dee-dee, yodel-dee-dee. Yay!
That was awesome.
Thanks!
And one question for Wendy. How do we contact you if we want to hire you for a party or stuff like that?
Well, I have a website called funnyvoices.ca, and on there is my email address as well as my phone number, which is 604-355-SHOW. And actually, Charlie's yodeling is featured in our brand new show called Secondhand Surprise. So it's one I can do at schools or for seniors, and
Hey, maybe I can come to your school. Yeah, that'd be fun.
I gotta tell Mr. Winton that.
yeah, I'll give you
Principal.
some of my pamphlets.
Well, thank you for letting me interview you, Charlie.
Thank you for having us.
Bye.
Bye.
Here's a sample of Charlie's yodeling lesson.
Charlie, it's really easy. Just gotta repeat after me, okay?
A, O, O.